Welcome to the apartment, and this is the share hallway. As you can see, there are 3 bedrooms in this flat. A little bench on the right hand side, and this is number 3, the available bedroom. As you can see, it is in a good size with a double bed in a very clean condition, clean carpet, and furnished. A highlight of this whole flat is that it has underfloor heating throughout the whole flat, and this is a made-to-measure wardrobe finished with oak veneer and good size around the bed. Nice windows with daylights coming in, and this is the switch for underfloor heating, and here comes the ensuite with shower, a good size of shower tray, nice and clean, with a mirror cupboard. Each door has its individual lock, key opening outside, and a thumb turn on the inside. And there is number 1, the neighbor on the opposite side, and this is like a storeroom. And there is the kitchen. As you can see, there's a breakfast table. This area will be professionally cleaned every week. And there's washing machine, oven, and each tenant would have their own cupboards. Coming out from the kitchen, opposite it is the owned private lounge, and there's also a lock. The lounge is covered with cleaned carpet, also with underfloor heating, 2 nice windows. As you can see, it is a good sized lounge. You can enjoy here on your sofa, watching telly, a nice quiet area for yourself.